Hey guys, Fahad Zaman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix Android problems such as crashing apps, forced restart, or if your Android phone won't turn on, stuck at Samsung logo, system UI not working, etc. Why so? The fact is, there is something wrong with the Android system and you need to repair your phone. With iMyFone Fix Pro, you can fix Android system issues in just a few simple clicks. Download iMyFone Fix Pro for Android. Download link is available in the video description. You can follow that link. After downloading and installation, launch it. Then click the Start button. In the device information screen, select the correct brand, name, model, country and carrier details. Make sure you choose the necessary information before pressing the download firmware button. The program will automatically download and extract the firmware for your device. It may take few minutes to download. Once the extraction is complete, the information that is showing must be correct. If any of it is incorrect, then you need to correct the information and choose the right one to download. If you don't do this, the fix may not work. Connect your Android phone to the computer with the USB data cable. Now you need to boot your Android device in download mode. If your Android phone has a home button, then power off your Android phone. Press and hold the volume down, home and power buttons together. Keep holding the three buttons until you see the warning message on your device. Press the volume up button to enter the download mode. If your Android phone does not have a home button, then hold the power button to shut down the mobile device. Press and hold the volume down, Bixby and power buttons together. Keep holding the three buttons together until you see the warning message on your device. Press the volume up button to enter the download mode. Once your phone has gone into download mode, the program automatically starts repairing your phone. The recovery process is totally automatic, however, it might take you some time. You can know how the process is going on through the status bar. Your device needs to stay connected to the computer while this is happening. Otherwise, your device might be bricked. In a while, your Android device will have all the system issues fixed. After the process completes, your Android device will be rebooted. So with this easy method, you can fix your Android phone. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me Fahad Zaman signing off. Allah Hafiz.